Hey guys, my name is Mike Chiappalone. We're here at Powerhouse Bev Francis Gym, the East Coast Mecca. I'm getting ready for Team Universe in about 10 days, and today we're going to take you through a little bit of arms. So let's get it. So I got into bodybuilding. Basically, when I was younger, I was a little out of control. Had a troubled past, but bodybuilding gave me structure and discipline and basically something to look forward to. So it helped me stay on the straightened path and helped me kind of straighten my life out where it needed to be. I played football my whole life, which, had me working out. I played football at Pop Warner, high school. I was in the gym a lot, saw a lot of the older people working out, wanted to be like them. So, I continued to work out for a while, fooled around with it. Then, once I got a little older, I really got into it. And it's been a way of life ever since. So the alternating dumbbell curls we started with, obviously they're alternating, which means you do one arm at a time. It just really isolates your bicep and gives you that squeeze and peak that you're looking for. That's about it. You don't really even have to go heavy with those. You could stay light to moderate and still get a good workout because you're just looking to get that blood flow into that muscle. So by doing the alternated ones, you're getting that full extension and the full squeeze of the bicep. I competed in 2016 NPC Easterns. I came in third in Classic Physique. I recently did Atlantic States. I came in second in Classic Physique, and I'm currently getting ready for Team Universe, which is a national show on July 1st. Finally, we ended with preacher curls for biceps, which really gets the work on the peak of the bicep. Another exercise, you don't really have to go too heavy with them. It's more of a concentrated work on that head of the bicep. The preps has been pretty good. It's tough. Obviously, diet has changed on numerous times in order to, grow into the show and then cut down and make weight because for Classic Physique we have different height and weight classes. So I have to be mindful of that. But basically the whole time I was just trying to put on good quality muscle, and transform myself in a short period of time to get ready for the show. Okay, my personal life, I have 2 kids, Mia and Mikey. Mia's going to be 13, Mikey's 11. They're basically why I do this, you know. They keep me going, give me a reason to do it and kind of leave something behind, you know. We did dips to kind of work on the thickness of the tricep rather than just working on a certain head. It actually works the whole tricep and gives you that more thicker look. I own CT Supplements in Waterbury, Connecticut. It's obviously a supplement store. We provide proteins, pre-workouts, amino acids, vitamins, etc. We carry different stuff than the regular chain stores carry. We have a good variety and selection and knowledgeable staff that could help with anybody's questions and basically from the average person to the competitor. You know, I also have a meal prep company called Meal Tech Kitchen where we provide your food for the week, whether it be a strict diet, a diet of coach has given you, or you just want to eat healthier and have something prepared for you, then we could do that too.
Come on, Mike.
I just want to thank first Bev and Steve for letting me come to Powerhouse and shoot. My coach CJ for giving me the tools I need to get where I want to be and always keep pushing me, that's for sure. Thank my kids always because I do this for them. They keep me going. And everybody, just thank everybody for all their help, motivation. Adam for doing the shoot.